There are good reasons why the RAV4 is a perennial bestseller for Toyota. It's a practical and efficient SUV that appeals to your common sense. Let's find out what the new RAV4 has in store for us. The Toyota RAV4 is the world's best-selling SUV. For the 2023 model year, the RAV4 looks to continue its dominance by adding some off-road cred to the hybrid model with the new Woodland Edition trim. Like their distant cousin, the hybridized Prius hatchback, the 2023 RAV4 Hybrid and plug-in hybrid RAV4 Primemism bring impressive fuel efficiency to the compact SUV segment. And they succeed, but their electrified powertrains come with other benefits too, specifically better performance. The new 2023 Toyota RAV4 is expected to be available in fall of 2022. It will be available at Toyota dealerships throughout the United States and most international markets. The Toyota RAV4 for the North American market is built at the Toyota Motor Manufacturing Canada plant in Woodstock, Ontario. The starting price of the 2023 Toyota RAV4 crossover SUV ranges from $27,575 MSRP for the LE trim up to $45,460 MSRP for the RAV4 Prime XSE trim. Also, the 2023 RAV4 costs $600 more than the 2022 version, which has a starting base price of $26,975 MSRP. Don't forget to stick till the end for a fun little bonus fact about this amazing car. Number 1. Drive. The 2023 RAV4 uses a 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive remains standard, but Toyota now offers a choice of all-wheel drive systems dependent on trim. The RAV4 Prime is the top-performing model of the RAV4 lineup. Along with the highest powertrain output, it delivers sports car-like acceleration with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.5 seconds. In comparison, the gas-powered RAV4 has a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 7.8 seconds, while the RAV4 Hybrid completes the sprint in 7.5 seconds. Also, the RAV4 Prime can drive with electric-only power for an estimated range of 42 miles. Buyers of the RAV4 have a choice of either a front-wheel drive system or a traction-enhancing all-wheel drive system. For efficiency, the gas-powered RAV4 has an estimated fuel economy of up to 30 combined mpg, while the RAV4 Hybrid has a gas mileage of up to 40 combined mpg. The RAV4 earned class-competitive fuel economy estimates from the EPA. Front-wheel drive RAV4s can manage up to an estimated 35 mpg on the highway. The all-wheel drive Adventure delivered 32 mpg for us on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, 1 mpg shy of the EPA's estimated rating for that trim. The RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid has a fuel efficiency of 94 mpge. Also, the RAV4 has a towing capacity of up to 3,500 pounds. Number 2. Performance. The 2023 Toyota RAV4 offers 3 powertrain options: a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 203 horsepower, a hybrid, 219 horsepower, and a plug-in hybrid with the RAV4 Prime, 308 horsepower. Both the RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime pair a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with 2 electric motors. The plug-in hybrid RAV4 Prime stores its electrons in an 18.1 kilowatt-hour battery pack, and the EPA rates its electric-only driving range at 42 miles. In our testing, we managed to drive for 32 miles on electricity alone, but that was on the highway. We would expect a longer driving range in the city. A 3.3 kilowatt-hour onboard charger is standard, and a 6.6 kilowatt-hour charger is optional on the Prime XSE. It decreases charging time to just 2.5 hours on a 240-volt outlet. If only a 120-volt outlet is available, expect charging times to be almost 12 hours. When compared with a gas-powered all-wheel drive RAV4, the hybrid model is far more efficient. The EPA estimates it'll achieve 41 mpg city, 38 mpg highway, and 40 mpg combined, beating the regular RAV4 by 14 mpg, 5 mpg, and 11 mpg respectively. Number 3. Interior and storage. The RAV4 Hybrid's cabin is well built and nicely outfitted, but prioritizes practicality over style. With a plethora of cubbies and bins to choose from, you'll have ample space to stash small cargo, and all of the buttons and controls are easy to find and operate. Toyota throws in plenty of niceties at the base level, such as dual-zone automatic climate control, a tilting and telescoping steering wheel, and a height-adjustable false floor in the cargo area. Going up the trim level ladder brings luxury features such as heated front and rear seats, ambient interior lighting, and upgraded faux leather upholstery that Toyota calls Softex. The RAV4 Hybrid offers identical cargo and passenger space as the regular RAV4, and in our testing, we managed to fit 10 carry-on suitcases behind the second row and 22 with the rear seat folded. LE and XLE models come with an 8-inch infotainment display sprouting from their dashboard, while XSE, Limited, and Prime XSE models provide a 10.5-inch screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, are all standards. Most models come with a 7-inch digital gauge display, but a larger 12.3-inch one comes on Limited and Prime XSE trims and is optional on the XLE Premium. Navigation and an 11-speaker JBL stereo system are available. Otherwise, you'll get a 6-speaker system. Number 4. Exterior. Before the 2023 model year, Toyota only offered trail-ready versions of the RAV4 on the gasoline-only variant. That changed with the introduction of the RAV4 Hybrid Woodland Edition, which applies several cosmetic and performance upgrades to the electrified crossover. Features include TRD-tuned suspension, bronze-colored wheels, black exterior badging and mudguards, black dual exhaust tips, and unique Woodland Edition floor and cargo mats. Toyota offers the RAV4 Hybrid Woodland Edition in 3 paint colors: Midnight Black Metallic, Cavalry Blue, and Ice Cap. Number 5. Other features. The mechanically identical 2022 model received a 2022 top safety pick from the IIHS and a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA, the highest possible. For 2023, Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 is standard. This suite of active driver assistance technology includes pre-collision assist with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control with steering assist, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, road sign assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking. Toyota offers blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system. For warranty coverage, the RAV4 has the backing of a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also, the RAV4 offers the Toyota Care-Free Maintenance Plan, which is good for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. On its launch, the Toyota RAV4, a contraction of recreational active vehicle with 4-wheel drive, single-handedly created the compact sports utility vehicle segment, bridging what was at the time a gaping chasm between traditional off-road and regular passenger vehicles. Its construction was similarly unique, maintaining the favored height, ground clearance, and chunky look of a traditional 4-wheel drive vehicle, but allied to a car-like monocoque body shell instead of a separate body and chassis. The model was an idea that had been bubbling away among Toyota's development team as far back as 1986, when the briefings for its radical styling were initially discussed. The first physical manifestation arrived in 1989, when the RAV4 concept was displayed at the Tokyo Motor Show. The concept was then refined and remodeled for the 1993 show, providing a much closer indication of the production car that would emerge the following year. We appreciate you staying with us this far, lovely viewers. Here's a bonus fact as a token of appreciation. Did you know in the annals of automotive history, the Toyota RAV4 ranks as one of the most consequential vehicles? With more than 400,000 units sold every year for the past few years, it's not only Toyota's best-selling car, this 5-passenger compact SUV is the top-selling vehicle in America. Not only that, but the RAV4 was also one of the first modern all-electric vehicles. What are your thoughts on the new and upgraded Toyota RAV4? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed the content, uplift the channel by hitting like, subscribe, and also ring the YouTube bell to meet us again in the following video. Until next time!